Hello, family. Welcome to another edition of another banger. My name is Sarah Ethel, and I'm coming at you. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. So today I am coming to do my baby hair that people also call it front layer. So first of all, what I do is I put my head in a ponytail. I hold it up. So when you are combing, you make sure that you've got all the hair, no loose end, you hold it tight. So that is what I'm doing. So after you've hold it tight and everything is done, you pick up a comb, then you take the front layer. So that is what I'm doing right now. You take the front layer, that is the baby hair, you combed it frontly upwards your forehead. Now it's time for us to apply the cream. I use Air Cream Professional. So what you're gonna do is we take the cream, then we use it to apply the front layer, the baby hair. We use it on it. So that is what I'm doing now. I usually use my hand to do it because it's easy, because I want to feel it and I want to make sure that it falls well, it sleeps well. I don't know if it's the right word to use. Now I'm doing my styling. By you can do better. So I style it. Make sure the hair is down, and the cream is really good. When you use that Air Cream Professional, you don't have to do much work. All you need to do is do a little styling, and voila, your front layer or your baby hair is done, is on. You are good to go. Sometimes the reason why I do the baby hair is because of wind. When you tie your hair, you normally tie your hair in natural pony. You see that when you are going out or you are in a car, you see that wind will be blowing your hair. The wind is blowing my hair. No, you see, the wind will be blowing. So when you use this professional air cream to do the baby hair, you see that you have control it a little bit. Okay, we are almost done. So yeah, so the styling takes a little time, but you'll get it. So the hardest part is the styling. So you style it to your own preference. So this is the final touch. Front layer is not a hard work to do. You don't have to go to the salon to pay for a front layer. You can actually do it yourself. So this is the end results of my front layer. It's quick and easy peasy lemon squeezy. So everybody can do it. All you need to do is tune your mind to it. So yeah, that is that for a beautiful front layer. You don't have to stress or pay someone to do for you. This is a easy work to do. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. See you next time in our next post. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a blissful day. And bye.